This is Enrique from American Fuel Tank, and I want to introduce you now to our 155 gallon gasoline. As you can see, we have our connection here for the battery, for you to be able to give power to your pump. This is a 10 gallon per minute pump. We also have the valve here in order for you to close it up in case that you have any gasoline in your hose, you just don't want to be driving with it. And we also have from our nozzle, it's like a little disposal in case you have an extra gasoline in your hose, so you don't want to be driving with that as well. This is very important also that we have the ground cable, which a lot of people are concerned about it, because one of the most important things for you to have ground once you dealing with gas and you're dealing with diesel and you're dealing with all this kind of fuel, you want to make sure that you don't create any spark or you don't create anything to avoid a fire. So that's the reason why it's very important for you to connect. Once you connect your batteries, you have to connect your ground. We also have the valve that would eliminate for the UV lights if in case that the tank is exposed to all the elements, it would not expand. So you have our valve here that would eliminate that from happening. And here you could also see the amount of fuel that you have remaining on your tank. Again, don't forget to follow us on social media. Hopefully you could buy from us.